In this video, I am going to show you how to make header transparent in Wix website. Let's get started. Let's assume that this is your header. Now, on the header, you want to make it transparent. Mine is a bit transparent. So what you want to do is to click on header, and on the right side, you will see 3 dots. Click on it. Then click on change header design. On here, on the header design, you could do a few things, but we want to focus on making it transparent. So let's go to fill color and opacity. Now for the background, let's say we want to make it really transparent. Let's make it white. And then change the opacity of the background to 0. You could add a shadow just to make it more better. As you can see, the header is now transparent.
And that's about it.
That's how to make header transparent in Wix website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.